Singing made me feel more alive. Ups, yes, but downs is what sculpts you into a better person. Stick to what you've decided always. என்ன decide பண்ணணும்? Be not just music, not just practice, even in life. You decide something, just stick to it. You don't know, you never know from where you will get a lead. Just keep showing yourself in every opportunity that you get. It could.
Reshma, finally we are doing this.
Firstly, I'm really happy that we are doing this. And from where we began, from being Pakathu classmates, Pakathu class people, to where we are today, I'm actually really happy. So thank you for making me do this in the first place.
So Reshma, tell me about your music career. How did it start? So in which age you started practicing music?
Honestly, I've been singing from the time I was a kid.
Okay.
But that was never like my okay, so this is what I'm going to do in life, and இதுக்கு தான் நான் வந்துட்டு I'm going to work towards அப்படின்லாம் it wasn't there. But eventually the process just led to that place. I initially wanted to be a doctor.
Oh wow.
And that's the whole reason why my mom put me in Velamal.
Oh really?
Otherwise, I would have just been all chill, don't have to study types. But then I was like, okay, எங்க அம்மா was like, வேலம்மால போட்டாதான் நீ ஒழுங்கா படிப்ப. They'll, you know, that give you that push. So that's the reason I joined Velamal, but it had a completely different plan for me. The minute I stepped into that school, there was like on the PA system, there was a call where whoever sings come to the HM room.
Okay.
That changed my life.
Oh really? So
Yeah.
Velamal played a big part in your music career.
சொல்லலாம். Sure, but no, honestly, yes. That's the whole reason why I completely deviated from medicine to becoming a singer was Velamal. Velamal was one of the main reasons. Because until then, I told you, right, the whole reason why I even joined that school was to become or pursue medicine. அதுக்கப்புறமா I was like, okay, then so 11th grade fulla was in music room. I barely attended classes. So, and then I was like, you know what, I get more happiness doing this than sitting in class and doing biology or drawing a heart diagram. Yes, that was like, you know, I like to know what happens in the body and where the food goes or what is, you know, where the nutrients are going and all of that. But singing made me feel more alive, and that gave me like or a happiness that cannot be put into words. And that was the reason I chose music over medicine. But I did a very similar course in college.
Okay.
So in college, I did food processing and quality control, but that's not like medicine, but that still has to do something with so what you should eat to what you should not eat, why you should not eat it or why you should eat it, everything. It has nutrition, dietetics, it has a lot of topics, but again, I was more inclined towards nutrition and dietetics because that's related to human body and things like that. I was like, okay, college was also fun. Simultaneously, I was doing my course in KM Conservatory, Rahman Sir's Foundation.
Okay.
Yeah, and அது ஒரு 2 years பண்ணேன். So my college was very helpful when it came to this. It was like, chalo, you have music class, so my roll number was 59. She used to send me in the first 5 roll numbers so that I can go to that college, my HOD. So she was also really helpful. It all fell in place. After 11th grade, everything just fell in place.
Okay.
And I'm so happy that where I am today, because of all the opportunities I've gotten, of all the lessons I've learned in life. All these lessons is what made me who I am today. As a person, I'm speaking. As an artist also. All the experiences, all the downs. Ups, yes, but downs is what makes it sculpts you into a better person. And I'm thankful for all the downs that I had in my life.
So talking about downs, I know it's very difficult and not everybody can come back, you know, they just get stuck to it. It's hard for them to, you know, motivate themselves and come back to what they are doing right now. So there's always the good side and the bad side. What was your motivation?
I am somebody who sees the bad in everything. Or if you put a white wall, I'll first find a black spot on it. That's why my eye automatically goes. It's like I always see the negatives, not because I'm like pessimistic or something, but I want to be prepared. I am very cautious. I think ahead. Like my friends be like, ஒரு நடக்காத ஒரு situation I create in my head. I'm like, what if this happens? So I'll be prepared for it. Like let it be a very simple thing. I'm gonna board a train, Naka. I'm holding a bag. I'll be like, what if somebody snatches the bag and goes? So I'll put it cross up.
But that's kind of
No,
being cautious, right?
yeah, that's how cautious I am, even in the tiniest thing in
Tiniest
life.
okay.
So when big things happen like this, my mom was a really huge backup for me. Like
Okay.
she made sure that I have a backup. I have something if something goes wrong. So I think everybody has to have that kind of thinking, like, okay, what if this doesn't happen? Always be prepared for it. Once you're prepared for it, no, the downs won't be so huge. அது அது விழப்போகுதுன்னு தெரிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் விழுந்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா அது பெருசா அடிபடாது. When you're expecting it to fall, when you're expecting something bad to happen, you won't really be stuck there, because you knew life is full of ups and downs. You can't always keep going up. The more higher you go, the
downfall is going to be
extremely high. Yeah, and it's going to be painful. So it is going to be like this. That's when it's interesting. Imagine if life is always like this. You bore அடிக்கும் ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல. It should always be like this. And you should also cherish. Trust me, remember 5 minutes back I told you that I'm thankful for the downs. I am actually very thankful for that, because that is what makes you who you are. If you're not going, you'll never learn. Downs is what teaches you life. It teaches you how to behave. It teaches you how to respect. It teaches you values. You need to have downs. I like downs. Honestly, I like it. It's like a challenge, right? இப்போ காலங்காத்தால எழுந்தோம், ஓகே ரொட்டீன் இதுதான், சாப்பிட்டாச்சு, தூங்கியாச்சு, ரெக்கார்டிங் போயாச்சு, திருப்பி வீட்டுக்கு வந்தாச்சு. And what if it's all happy? Okay, but nothing is exciting again in life. It's what makes it exciting is the downs. Something sad மட்டும் down கிடையாது. ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணாம இருக்கிறது கூட people consider it as a down. Like, let's say super hectic. I have work 1 week without breaks, without time to eat, time to go to the bathroom, flying continuously. சில ஊருக்கெல்லாம் you can't take flights, trains. You need to go by bus. So அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டைம்ல when after all that, or 1 week you don't have anything, you'll be like, chalo, okay, yeah, this. But after that, or 3-4 days, you'll be like, wait, did people actually forget that I exist? Like, why aren't they calling me? Or 3-4 days kaparama, that is a down. Like, maybe they don't want me, because see, now competition is crazy. Like every house has an artist. Everybody wants to be an artist. So at the point of time, there's like so many options for people, right? And with the exposure we have today, everybody is so prepared for, like, like they want to be, they know where they should be, or they're at least navigating themselves there.
It has become easier for
It's become too easy, because you have an answer to everything. Like, இப்படி பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? Okay, Google, chalo, okay, how to become a singer. It'll give you 10 pages, one essay it'll give you. How to become a dancer, it'll give you an essay. So you have an answer to everything. So when you know that, or 4-5 days when you're not doing anything, it's kind of like ஒரு question வரும், maybe people forgot me. We need to do something to get back there, because this high is not going to last for anybody, for that matter. It's not going to last. யாரா இருந்தாலும் you'll have to come down to go back up. So on the point of time la, the first thought that comes to your head, or should come to anybody's head, is what should I do to get there? Not that, ஐயோ I'm sitting here, நான் இப்போ இங்கே என்ன பண்ணுறது, இங்கே வந்துட்டேன் நான். That's not supposed to be your way of thinking. And it's all in your head. It's all in your head. Even be it downs, be it ups, it's all in your head. If you think high la irukumbodhu, if you think you're down, you are down. High la, if you're down, and if you think you're high, you're high. As simple as that. It's all in your head. Mind is super powerful, and it'll actually, you need to control your mind. You shouldn't let your mind, namakku mind la there'll be so many thoughts coming. If you're going to say, you know what, this is not what I'm going to think, I'm going to start thinking positively, and that's how I'm going to lead your life, you'll have a positive life. It's not just about okay, I am sad today. You can only afford to be sad one day, max 1.5 days, 1.5 to 2 days. Adukaprom you should make yourself happy. That's what we all live for, right? Something to make us happy. At the end of the day, you need to sleep peacefully. It's all for us to be happy at the end of the day.
So how do you control your brain? Like, do you do any yoga, meditation? What helps you?
Honestly, nothing. I am padinero jobless. So when I am jobless, I watch movies, I watch reels, I sleep a lot. I love sleeping. Nalla, you wake me up at any time of the day. எழுந்துட்டேன் தூக்கம் போயிடுது அப்படிலாம் இல்லை. I can go back to sleep anytime.
Anytime.
I can wake up at 12, have lunch at 1, go back to sleep at 3. I don't know if that's a boon or a bane, but I love sleeping. I think that keeps me sane. The minute you see me without sleep, I'm all cranky. I'm like, ayyo, thoongala nanu. Even I can go without eating also.
Okay.
But without sleep, I kind of lose that, that spark. So I love sleeping. So what keeps me going is or keeps me motivated is just, I don't know, it's just that's been too easy for me. Maybe that's why I'm not having proper answer to it. It's been too easy. I've never been so down in life, or touch wood. Like I said, mind is so powerful. It's very easy to control it. You can be sad. Everybody, we are all humans. At the end of the day, we're all humans, and we are going to be sad. But it's in your hands. எவ்வளோ நாள் சேடாக இருக்கலாம்னு நீ தான் முடிவு பண்ண போகிற. அண்ட் யாராக இருந்தாலும் இட்ஸ் டூ ஈஸி டு கம் அவுட் ஆஃப் இட். நோ மேட்டர் ஹவு பிக் த ப்ராப்ளம் இஸ், யூ லேர்ன் டு லிவ் வித் இட். நோபடி கெட்ஸ் ஓவர் த ப்ராப்ளம். நிறைய பேருக்கு ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் நமக்கு இங்கே இருக்குன்னா நிறைய பேருக்கு இங்கே இருக்கலாம். ஸோ நம்ம அதை we cannot judge the problems, but you can always move past it. Because that problem doesn't decide your life. Your success doesn't decide your life. It's you who's going to decide it. How the person you are, how you treat others, how you value others' time, respect others, be it parents, be it outside people below you, people above you, everything decides who you are. It's not your downs, it's not your ups.
Wow. Okay, Reshma. So let's talk about your favorite thing, music. So how important it is to have a proper training if somebody wants to get into music. So is it very mandatory that they have to go to a school or have a teacher, a guru?
Okay, so see, it's not mandatory to have anything in life.
Okay.
Music is not something that can be like, shoved upon a person. It's not forced into anybody. Even if it is, you won't get it. You won't be able to. Music is something that has soul, right? So you can't really force it on anybody. And for somebody with that spark or that soul, they'll get it naturally. They don't really need a teacher to. Yes, you need help, you need a teacher, but it is possible to learn without anybody. Like there are so many, இப்போ நம்ம சூப்பர் சிங்கர்லயே there are so many people who sing without going to any class. I think I learned music till 6th grade, and then I stopped. And after that, I did 2 years of Hindustani and KM, and that's about it. And 7 months of vocal training with Anant Vaidyanathan. இப்போ நான் லைஃப் லாங் கற்றுக்கணும்னு இல்லை. நான் அந்த 6thலேருந்து என்னோட காலேஜ் வரைக்கும் கற்றுக்காமல் இருக்கிறது wasn't, it doesn't make a difference because it's in you. It's in that person. So now we have there are millions of videos on YouTube. All you have to do is do it every day. Whatever. It's not just about music. You want to become a footballer, you want to become a pianist, you can do whatever you want. You'll just have to be consistent. You'll just have to be consistent.
So consistency is the mantra.
That's all. Anything. Even if you want to go to the gym, I need that consistency. இப்போ ஜிம் எனக்கு யாராச்சும் ஜிம்முக்கு போறேன்னா டெய்லி போங்க. ஏதாவது ஒரு நாள் பண்ணா வராது. ஒரு நாள் பண்ணி yes I want to be fit, you can't. You need to do it every day. You need to sit and practice every day. Like, see, it's not like you need to do it for hours. Even if you do it for a small time, you need to do it like Shraddhaya. You need to sit and do. Chalo, I'm gonna do it. Nobody disturbs. No phone calls. No, ayyo, he's playing downstairs. Na veetla practice pannit iruken. That 1 hour or 2 hours you sit and do. You have 24 hours in a day. 2 hours you can dedicate for your dream. Avladhan. You can do it without teacher, with YouTube, with your friends teaching you. You learn from anything, honestly speaking. It's not like ஒரே ஒரு ஆள் கிட்ட இருந்தா கத்துக்கணும் அப்படின்லாம் எதுவுமே கிடையாது. You can learn from every person you see.
So you said focused, we have to do something, right? Whatever we are doing.
Yeah.
In today's world, let's take me as an example. I want to sit and do something. I'll decide I'm going to do this for the next 1 hour or 2 hours. But that's when my friend is going to text me or he's going to give me a call. How do you, have that focus and do something?
Honestly, it's you who decides it, right? So you get to control your friends, your parents, your outings, your entertainment, and you only control yourself that you're going to practice for 2 hours. Or a decision already பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா stick to that. If somebody is giving you a call, tell them, I'm going to practice for an hour. Nobody is saying you can practice later, come. And if they're saying that, you can tell them, you know what, you carry on what you're doing. I will join you in an hour. You're still going to go there. You're not going to miss anything in 1 hour, right?
Yeah.
Nothing's going to like finish in, if that person's calling you just that time, it's not like it's on the 1 hour la you're going to have fun or anything. So in 1 hour, you can finish your practice, you can finish whatever you decided to do. You can carry on with your plan later. So stick to what you've decided always. என்ன decide பண்ணமோ, be not just music, not just practice, even in life, you decide something, just stick to it.
You're in music. You've been in music for like quite some time now. What is the not so glamorous side of music? Like pursuing music full time. What is the not so glamorous side, which is not known to the outside world?
To the outside world, it's all fun, it's all happiness, it's all rainbows and cupcakes and like a path of roses. It's not like that. You have a lot of discomfort, you have a lot of sacrifices that you have to make to be in this. Like you need to work with multiple people. You need to work with them even if you like them or don't, right? Like let's say tomorrow I'm going to do a show with somebody that I'm not very comfortable with. I can't say that, right? I need to man up and be like, yes, you know what, I'm going to do this is my job and I'm going to do it. You don't always get to do what you want. They'll treat you like a property sometimes, and this is all of this is sometimes. Okay, this is not something that happens on a daily basis, but these are also a part of this. Like they don't treat you like a human. They'll be like, chalo இந்த பாட்டு பாடு, நீ இறங்கு போதும் டைம் ஆயிடுத்து. So at that point of time we'll be like, okay, I am a human, I'm an artist, yes you are paying me, but this is still an art. You respect me. All I'm saying is give equal respect. Sometimes people don't do that. They'll be like, நீ பாட தானே வந்திருக்க இறங்கு, or நீ போய் பாடு, இந்த பாட்டு போடுங்க, அந்த போடுங்க, what போடுங்க, I am singing, right? So sometimes that feels a little ஒரு மாதிரி, but again at the end of the day, when you're on stage, when you're seeing those people look at you, laugh, sing along and cherish, it's all gone.
Okay.
There's it's every field is like that. It's not just this. There's so many things that are, you won't get your payments on time. Like work is very important, work is very urgent, but payments never urgent. There are so many payments that haven't been cleared for many years right now. வராதுன்னு ஓகே போதும், இனிமே வரதை பார்த்துக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு. You won't get payments. Some ஊருக்கு நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, you won't be able to go in flight. You need to take like 2-3 trains and go. சில ஊரில் ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்ஸ் ப்ராப்பராக இருக்காது, ஃபுட் ப்ராப்பராக இருக்காது. யூ நீட் டு கோ ட்ரிங்க் வாட்டர் இன் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பிளேசஸ். யூ டென் டு ஃபால் சிக் வெரி குவிக்லி. There's no fever. Okay, other than fever, throat infection, which you cannot function, anything else, any mild discomfort in your body, your throat, your being a woman, if you get your periods, nothing can stop you. You need to sing in pain. You need to go perform in that discomfort or uncomfortability. So it's all there. We're also manisha da, humans da. So ella discomfortum irukku. This is not always fun. This is not always உனக்கு என்னமா அப்படின்னு நிறைய பேர் சொல்லி கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கேன் நான். So it's not like that. எங்களுக்கும் there are so many things that we cannot talk about, right? So it's there. So but it all disappears. It all disappears when you're singing, when you hear yourself. ஒரு பேண்ட்ல ஒரு மைக்ல நீ பிடிச்சி பாடும்போது, when those people are actually watching you and they're cherishing you, they're shouting ரேஷ்மா ரேஷ்மா ரேஷ்மான்னு கீழே இருந்து கத்தும்போது, this is what I'm working for, this is what I want, and this is why I'm here. I don't want anything else. Yes, all those uncomfortability எல்லாமே நான் வந்து
அதெல்லாம் போய் பாடுறது
பரவாயில்லடா, I can do it all over again. I can go through every single thing just to experience that feeling on stage, or when people hear your voice and they'll be like I did this cover ஒரு 3 வருஷம் ஆயிருக்கும் அந்த கவர் பண்ணி. அந்த கவருக்கு கிடைச்ச ஒரு ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் I haven't gotten till date for any other song. It's a song called இதுவும் கடந்து போகும் நெற்றிக்கண் மூவி. அதை நான் ஒரு ஜோஷுவா ஆரனோட ஒரு ரீவைண்ட் மேஷப் பண்ணியிருந்தோம். இட்ஸ் அ மேஷப். அண்ட் நாள்தோறும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு லைன்லேருந்து திஸ் சாங் வில் ஸ்டார்ட் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் ஃபார் சே ஒரு 20-30 செகண்ட்ஸ் மேக்ஸிமம். இட்ஸ் ரீச்ட் மில்லியன்ஸ், நாட் இன் மை பேஜ், என் பேஜ்லேருந்து இல்லை, பட் ஒரு பேஜ் வந்துட்டு ஒரு லேப்டாப்பில் அதை ப்ளே போட்டாங்க. தட் ரீச்ட் அரௌண்ட் 12 million. That was in one page. There were so many people who used this song in a different video and who used this video for their own, their own downs. I don't know how people related to that or why they were able to do it, but I got so much love for that. I still do. I'm telling you, this reel is 3 to 3.5 years old. And I still get messages that, Akka, you know what? எனக்கு சேடாக இருக்கும்போது நான் இந்த பாட்டு கேட்டிருக்கேன். My co-singer Sri Nivas Anna irukangala, he's told me that you don't know how this song actually changes the mood. I wake up and நீ நம்பாம போ, ஒரு 30 நிமிஷத்துக்கு அந்த நாள்தோறும் கேட்டுட்டு தான் நான் என்னோட அடுத்த வேலையை ஒரு நாள் பார்த்தேன். Because that's how healing it was. And when you hear things like that, it's enough. போதும்னு இருக்கும். Like that's what you work for. Like to be in people's heart, to be in people's mind. Like I want to spread that joy. I want to make you happy through my music. And when you get that, it's like more than enough. Podum. Happy. I'll sleep peacefully like one baby.
And the many moments, like you have also performed on stages in colleges and you go on world tours and stuff like that. Even that gives you the same excitement as...
Actually, they are very different.
Yeah.
This one is adrenaline. It's massive energy. There are 25,000 people there who are roaring. They are like, you go on the stage, they roar and it's like an unexplainable explain panna mudiyada it's a feeling that you cannot I will never trade anything for that feeling. Chalo, okay, I'll take this, I'll give this up. No, I won't give it up. I will not give it up. That's like one, you won't feel like getting off the stage. It's like, okay, I want to sing more. They never get tired.
Yeah.
I don't know, they sing every song full lyrics. I'll be like, you know what, you guys come on stage. I'll get down. I don't know how people remember so much. And that is the energy that gets transmitted. Sometimes, not everybody is like that. ஒரு ஷோ ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும். நாட் இப்போ ஒரு கல்யாண ஷோல யாரும் ஆன்னு கத்த மாட்டா, அண்ட் காலேஜ் ஷோல இப்படியே உட்கார மாட்டாங்க. They are different audience, but that's when music actually gives you happiness. Sometimes it's not always the audience வந்துட்டு துனாதான் எனர்ஜின்னு இல்லை. Them just sitting there and looking at even it doesn't have to be 25,000 people. Even if it's 25 people, that energy just passes on. If once they get connected to you, you stay connected with them until you get off the stage. It's very nice when they look at you, they remember you. You know what, நான் அன்னைக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு ஈவெண்ட்ல கூட உங்களை பார்த்துருக்கேன், அன்னைக்கு என்னோட சித்தப்பாவோட கல்யாணத்துல நீங்க பாடினீங்க. Somebody will come and tell you, and when they remember you, that's all that matters.
Wow.
So yeah.
In music, who do you look up to? Who's your idol?
Honestly, there's not one person. There's not, okay, chalo, Arijit Singh, Shreya Ghoshal, Lata Mangeshkar, nobody. Every single person who sings, I learn something from them.
Okay.
I'm not saying this just to say it. Honestly, I don't have an idol. And that's not wrong. I don't think that's wrong, because I don't want to just follow one person. I kind of learn even the smallest thing, be it artistic or be it in just normal life. So every single person teaches you even at least or a small thing. It doesn't have to be SPB தான் கத்து கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு இல்லை, or even super singer juniors இருக்கala. I've learned a lot from them. I have no shame in that. Recently, or when I went to Anand sir's class, there was a small kid who sang so much better than me. I was like, oh my God, how expressive is this girl singing? And you know what? I should also try singing like that. She is an inspiration to me. She is one of my idols. So when I was in Sun Singer, my friends were my idols. Like, I'll be like, okay, Vicky is singing like this, Sush is singing like this, Bhuvana is singing like this. So I'll be like, okay, அவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து நம்ம அதுலேருந்து நம்ம பண்ணா நம்ம எப்படி, you know, how it'll be. They are singing with an air, or they're singing in a huskier tone, or if they're singing more like with a laugh. What can you do to better yourselves? And that's what I think, that is my inspiration.
Okay.
Every single person teaches you edha
Something.
one, even if it's bad. Okay, maybe I shouldn't do that. That's also a learning. That is also teaching. அது okay, அவங்க பண்றது okay, இது like it's not bad, எனக்கு அது வேண்டாம்.
Can I make music as a career? So if somebody has that, that question to themselves, what is that leap of faith they should do?
Yeah, so like I already told you, consistency is what will get you into any field. So if you want to crack something in music, stay consistent. It doesn't matter what reviews you get. Everybody, if I like you, there's another person who's not going to like you, and you cannot control that. So you need to keep doing what you want to do, what you love doing, what you're good at. You know what you're good at. Eventually you'll know, okay, like just compare மற்றவாள் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா அப்படின்னு ஒரு பார்த்தாலே will know, are we up to that mark, or are we doing something like that. You should be unique, but at the same time you should know what is good, what is bad, what is, you know, appreciated, what is not. You should know all of this. And in terms of music, can you make a life out of it? Yes, you can. There are so many singers, though everybody wants what is trending, what is new. I still sing with all my senior super singers, senior singers, and everybody will get a chance. It's not always going to be just one person. Everybody will get a chance. If it's you today, it's going to be another person. Like how you are getting a chance, there's always another person who's going to get the same place, and you shouldn't envy that. I think that's a really biggest thing that everybody should follow, and which I think most of them are not. You shouldn't envy another person. எப்படி நமக்கு சான்ஸ் கிடைக்குதோ அவங்களுக்கும் கிடைக்கும். அவங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கக்கூடாது. I'm telling you, nobody will go higher if you think the other person shouldn't succeed. That's like a biggest drawback to everybody's life. Your thinking should always be positive. நீ என்ன பண்ணுறேன்னு பார்த்தாலே போதும். அவன் பண்ணக்கூடாது, அவங்க வரக்கூடாது, அவன் இடத்துல நான் போகிறேன். That will never last. So if you're doing something, do it right, do it your way, and you will get there. It'll take time. Not everything is easy. I am not here, or I still have a long way to go. Where I am right now, I didn't get here in like a year. I didn't get here in 2 days, 10 months. I've been doing this since 11th grade, right? So 11th standard lende inniki I'm giving an interview. Tomorrow I might be somewhere else. Tomorrow I might be lower than where I am. But that's just how life is. You'll just have to embrace it. You will get where you are. You will have to find happiness in where you are in the first place. You can go towards your goal, but you shouldn't forget to live your life. Yes, you need to pursue your career, you need to be consistent, but you should always be happy where you are. Okay. That is one thing that's very important, because music, sonna mari, it's not something that you can force onto people. Some people should feel it. Let's say you're doing something and you're composing a song, and I don't feel it today because let's say you composed a sad song and I'm really happy today, and you're showing it to me and I'm like, it's a nice song, right? And tomorrow I'm sad and I'm listening to it, I'm like, oh my God, you know what? This song is actually nice. So people, you don't have to trust what people actually tell you. It keeps changing. Human minds, it keeps changing. So if you believe in something, just go for it and keep doing it, and you'll get there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for them to begin with, they can start we have access to social media these days.
That's right.
So they have to start posting. That's what you mean to tell them, or
Yeah.
they have to get into competitions and stuff like that.
Okay, so in terms of music, if you're asking me, people should know your talent. If you want to, so music வந்துட்டு நம்மளா பண்ணி நம்மளா கேட்க போறது இல்ல. It's all, we want people to hear it, right? It's something that should be heard. So அப்படி இருக்கும்போது, if you want people to know what you're doing, put it on social media. Where you will be seen, you need to be there. Okay. Be it like how I started was in flat New Year celebration appo na paadna. That is also one of the ways that you show people that you're singing. There could be one person who's connected to somebody in the film industry. They can go tell them, you know what, in flat la nikku oru ponnu paadna samaya paadina. So you don't know, you never know from where you will get a lead. Just keep showing yourself in every opportunity that you get. It could maximum என்ன ஆயிரப்போகுது ஒண்ணுமே வராம இருக்க போகுது. There's never a bad opportunity. There's always an opportunity that's only good. So take every opportunity that you get and give your best and show your true talent, and you'll get there. Be it social media, be it reality shows, be it normal. It could be a normal, like I said, normal rotary competition or chumma one area competition. It could be that you need to still show up. You don't have to win, but you need to show up. That is winning. If you don't show up, that is failure is only going to teach you na enna thappu pannina inniki, why did that person win, only to see how to better yourself. நாட் பிகாஸ் அவங்க ஏன் வின் பண்ணாங்க, அவங்க எப்படி வின் பண்ணாங்க, அப்படி இல்லை, அவங்க எப்படி ஆக்சுவலி வின் பண்ணாங்க, நான் என்ன பண்ணலை தட் தே டிட். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் மேபி நான் இது பண்ணா ஐ மைட் ஆல்சோ கெட் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிளேஸ். தட்ஸ் ஆல் யூ நீட் டு திங்க் அபவுட்.
And with every failure, one day you're going to get succeeded. But if you don't try it out, you will regret it for the rest of your life.
That's right.
That's true. So
take the... And success again is not, it's not a destination. It's what you feel inside. It's a process.
It's a journey.
Yeah. If for example you take Modi will always want to do something next, right? Yeah. Or Arijit Singh is always, namma yosikrom Arijit Singh is here, he's successful, but you ask Arijit Singh, no, I want to do something next. Yeah. So success is not one, okay, na I successful. It's not like that. It's a process. You need to keep, it's life. You need to keep doing things that make you happy. Happiness is successful.
What would you say to your younger self when you're just starting it out and when you're chasing your dream, and what that would be?
To remove fear.
To remove fear.
Yeah, I was a really scared kid, I'm telling you. Very scared. Now if you ask me to sing also, I'll be scared. It doesn't matter when, where, how many big songs I've sung, where all I've sung, doesn't matter. You ask me to sing, I'll be scared. The first song, I'm always scared. So I think that I should remove to my younger self, and that was extreme. I will sodapify so much with anxiety. I'll be like, at the end of the day, I'll just be like, you know, I can't do this. I cannot sing in front of people. That fear was always there. I don't know why I was so scared. So I think that's something that I will tell myself, like, you know what, பாடுடி, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை, பாட தானே போகிற, ஒழுங்கு தப்பு பண்ண போகிற, அவ்வளோதான், பாடு, அவ்வளோதான். So I want to tell myself that, and to always grounded, yes. And very சமத்தா வீட்டில் பாடிட்டு அப்படியே போயிட்டு இருந்தேன் சோஷியல் மீடியாலலாம். ஈவன் நவ் இஃப் யூ சி, ஐ எம் ஆக்டிவ், பட் மேபி ஐ கேன் சிங் மோர் அண்ட் போஸ்ட். I will have to go back in time and tell my younger self that get this as a habit, like do this as a habit, and post more, like let people know that you sing. Tell them, show them what all you can do. It's not like just Munbeva, it's not just who's the hero. There's so many tones inside a person. Express all that, show all that. So I need to tell myself to be less scared, be more expressive, and be more consistent.
Reshma, thank you so much for doing this. It was completely wholesome, and I hope you reach great heights. Then I would love for people to hear your voice both in this conversation and in your songs. And
thank you.
All the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you. And this was more like two friends talking.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
So thank you for making me so comfortable. Honestly, thank you for the opportunity, and I really wish you all the best.